Very good morning, all of you. So, some portions are remaining here on postology chapter, right? So today we will discuss our remaining part. Okay. So first of all, before starting, have a look on the over all over syllabus. That is introduction part. We have done these things, right? Definitions, factor influencing doses, age, body weight, route of administration. That is there is a total 16 kind of factors which affect the doses for human beings, right? Then this is the factors. Then we also have done, that is calculation of doses. From the adult dose we can calculate the child dose by using this kind of formula on the basis of age, on the basis of body weight, right? That is dealing formula. Then Young's formula. Then on the basis of surface area we can calculate the child dose from this adult dose by using this kind of factor, right? This is the table, and this is the veterinary doses, right? These are the factors affect the veterinary doses, right? Okay. So then, purpose of medicines, right? Purpose of medicines. This is the 10th number of factor that is responsible for influencing the dose of drug, right? For animals, right? The dose of drugs changes with its use, right? According to the use, the dose of drugs are changes, right? So let's see how. For example, magnesium sulfate. This is the one kind of drug, magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate act as a purgative, right? In large dose, in large dose, the purgative act as a the magnesium sulfate act as a purgative in large dose, whereas act as a laxative or antacid, right, in small dose. Whenever we use a magnesium sulfate in large dose, that time magnesium sulfate shows the purgative action. Otherwise, if in case of small dose, it will show antacid or laxative effect. Okay. We know the meaning of purgative, that is remove the unwanted waste from body, right? The agent which responsible for removing unwanted waste from body, right? But laxative are a similar kind of agent as like purgative, that is same as a purgative but less effective, right? But less effective means purgative is the strongest agent which responsible for removing the waste from the body, and laxative is a similar agent but less effective, right? And antacid is a remove the gases from the GIT. It's responsible for removing the gases, that is from GIT. Also called as antacid, also called as anti-flatulent. If magnesium sulfate used in a small doses, that time it act as a laxative or work as a antacid, right? Otherwise, in large doses, it act as a purgative, right? Hence, there is a purpose of medicines also responsible for the changing the or influencing the doses, right? Then afterward, our 11th factor, that is species. Species means प्रजाति जिसको कहा जाता है, ठीक है? Species. The dose of drug are not similar for all species. We know, right? The dose of drug are not similar for all kind of species. Okay. The dose for cows is different from horse, sheep, cat, right? Why the dose are not similar to all kind of species? Because each species has a different weight, body weight, different body weight, size, physical or characters are different. That's why similar dose does not act on all kind of species, right? So there is one example, that is opium produce excitement in horse but narcosis in dog, right? Opium is a drug, it act as a excitement, means it produce a excitement if we administer given to the horse, right? If we given the opium to the horse, that time opium cause a excitement effect. In case of dog, it produce a narcosis effect. Okay, narcosis effect. Okay, so meaning of narcosis is keeps falling in sleep, keep falling in a sleep, the agent which produces sleep. Okay, means opium produces sleep on dogs and produce excitement on horses, right? There is a difference of species, that is horse are different species animal and dog also different from the horses, right? There is a changes of species, that's why they also species are responsible for the influencing the doses, right? Then our 12th factor is character of drugs. Character of drugs means, character means whether it is a crude form or whether it is crude form or ready-made form or synthetic form, like, right? That is a large dose of crude drug need to produce effect in animal, means crude drug, that is directly obtained from natural. Okay, that is a crude drug, natural drug, right? Large doses of crude drug need to produce a effect in animal, means whenever, then its active constituent, whenever we give the crude drug directly to the animals in order to produce a actions, that time we need to dispense large dose, right? But for producing a effect, we can use the, if we can use the active constituent, that time we need a small dose for producing the desired effect, right? So there is one example, that is Nux vomica. Nux vomica is a crude form of medicines, right? Then it's a given in a large dose, then strychnine alkaloid given in a small dose, right? Means Nux vomica, the strychnine is the active constituent of Nux vomica, we know about it, right? If Nux vomica directly administered or given to any animal, that time for producing a effect, that time need a large dose of crude drug. And Nux vomica is a crude drug and strychnine is a active constituent of Nux vomica. That's why if we given a crude drug, that time need a large dose to produce a effect, right? But in case of giving a active constituent to the animal, that time we need to administer small doses to produce a desired effect, right? So there is a characters, there is a difference between character, right? There is a character difference of character, right? Strychnine and Nux vomica. So the character of drugs responsible for changing the dose, right, or effect of drug. So there is the end of our second chapter, that is posology. I took all information from this reference, that is Pharmaceutics 2, R.M. Mehta, author, right? R.M. Mehta is the author of Pharmaceutics 2, second edition, 2003, reprinted on 2010, Vallabh Prakashan, page number 65 to 72, right? I gathered this all information from this reference. So there is the end of our second chapter, that is posology, right? So thank you, have a good day. And today also we will start our fourth chapter, right? also